Hello friends, today, we'll share you beautiful themes on Xiaomi Global. Double tap to change home screen wallpaper. iOS settings UI. Dynamic Island can custom more. Music album art when playing music. Let's install it. All themes available on Global Theme Store now. Customize lock style theme. This option use import depth effect wallpaper. Select JPG file. Select PG file. Choose wallpaper style. Depth effect wallpaper. Turn on flashlight and camera icons on lock screen. Turn on lock screen widgets and dynamic island. Enable all wallpaper effect. Enable music player on lock screen. Custom text in left widget. Custom text above clock widget. Standby mode. After that, return apply default lock style, then reapply theme to active change. Home screen widgets can extend. Can add more this widgets. Double tap to change home screen wallpaper. Wallpaper lock screen changed. Custom dynamic island. Double tap. Dynamic. Choose pet with dynamic island. Custom clock widgets. Choose date and battery widgets. Custom left and right widgets. Or you can disable it. Custom standby mode style. Wallpaper zoom effect. Next, change icons pack. Install Teak V2 theme. Thanks for watching video. See you in next video coming soon.